Alright, so real quick, I'm going to show you how to make a GIF, an animated GIF that you can use in your web browser, or like, I don't know, for something cool. If you can like figure out what cool is. Anyway, a GIF, like a graphic interchange file, something like that. I think that's what it's called. I like generated, but you know, that would imply a J sound, not G. Anyway, so I'm in Adobe After Effects. I dragged in an MP4 video file I animated. It says, music is just spaghetti you can listen to. And what happens is I animated this in Flash and Adobe Illustrator, and the text squashes and stretches, right? Whoops. And I want that text to do that in my background for my website, okay? I want to make this as small of a file as possible so that when you load the page, you don't have any problems with like, you know, lag and shit. So I want to make this small. I want to save it for web and devices. And this is like a video file. So how are we going to do that? All right, well, we're in Adobe After Effects, and I have it in my timeline, my file. So I'm just going to go up to Composition, Add to Render Queue. Okay. So I got the render queue open. Now I'm going to go down to Output Module. And I got all these options here. So format, AVI, that's like uncompressed. That's going to be massive, massive file. It's going to be like nice and pretty looking, but it's going to be too big, so we can't do that. So what we want to do is we want to go to the PNG sequence. Click OK, right? Alright, so I want to make sure this is going in the right folder. I got a sequence folder already made. Save. Alright, render, right? Alright, so hopefully that worked successfully. So now we got Photoshop, right? For some reason you can't really do this whole thing in one program. Shit's annoying. So we got Photoshop, alright? File, open. Alright, I'll go to my folder. I made a sequence folder. So all those PNGs I just exported through After Effects are now a PNG sequence. So it's animated. It's like an animated flipbook, if you will. So all you gotta do is click on the first image and then go down in image sequence. Click that. So now it's just gonna know how to, now it's gonna import all of your stuff. Frame rate 30, sure, okay. All right, so now it made an animated timeline. Well, it's in Photoshop, so that should work. Okay, drag that to the front. So I want to make this a background for my website. I actually already did it, but it's too big. So when you resize the window or you use, you know, a cell phone, mobile, the image is too big. And I tried using media queries to kind of make it fit in the window, but it doesn't really work. So I just want to resize my GIF so it's like 600 pixels wide, so that when you look at it on mobile, you know, you don't have any weird issues. Screen's like flickering. It's crazy. Alright, so Photoshop, File, Save for Web and Devices. Okay. So now I want to go up to this option and click GIF. Yeah. But then I gotta go down here and click looping options forever and ever. Alright, save. I'm gonna call it background 2. Because I already have a one in there, but as I said, I want to resize this so it's smaller for mobile. So save that. Now I go into my folder, you know, desktop, and then I got that file that I just exported as a GIF. It's going to open up Internet Explorer probably. And there it is. An animated GIF. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take that file and then I'm just going to kind of put it into my website. As you see, it's already here, but I wanted to resize it. So this is how it's looking so far. Got like, yeah, so that'll just play in the background. Got images and stuff. If I'm hungry, that's no fun. Spaghetti and meatballs, I'll need a ton. Alright, you get the idea. Thanks for watching.